Hi, my name is Miranda Peterson. I'm the owner and founder of Namaste Nature. We are an Asheville-based yoga, hiking, and meditation experience. Please enjoy this quick yoga warm-up for hiking. Let's start by just grounding our feet down into the earth. Relax the arms by the sides, palms facing out. This is called Tadasana or mountain pose. And start to bring awareness to the feet. And bring that awareness up the body, up the legs, the hips, the torso, the arms, and the head. And bring the hands together in prayer or Anjali Mudra. Take a breath or two here, just maybe expressing some gratitude for the ability to hike and be outside today. And we'll start with some neck warm-ups here. So inhale as you roll the head back, exhale as you gently roll the head forward. Just going to make slow, gentle circles with the neck. Once you do 3 in one direction, switch to the opposite direction. And then come back to center. Inhale the shoulders up, exhale, let them slide down the back. Inhale, shoulders up, exhale, slide down the back. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up one more time, and then let them relax. And I'm going to turn sideways just so you can see this position better. Inhaling the arms up, and then exhale, fold forward. We're going to start by warming up the legs and the hamstrings, the thighs. So just alternate bending the right and left knees. Feels really good to start out with a little bit of dynamic movement. And when that feels good, you can either grab opposite elbows or just release your arms down towards the earth and hang in a forward fold for a couple breaths. You can maybe shake the head yes and no. And then slowly roll up to a standing position, feeling each vertebrae stack on top of one another. Bring the hands into prayer, and we'll start a few sun salutations here. Inhale the arms up, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slide the hands up the shins, nice flat back, exhale, fold. Inhale, lift the arms up over the head, optional back bend here, and then exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway, flat back. Exhale and fold, micro bend in the knees. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. And do 2 more with your own breath at your own pace. And then when you're finished, take a moment to notice any changes in the body. And check in with how you're feeling, the body, the breath, the mind. Keeping the hands on the hips, And exhale, slowly fold forward and then interlace the hands behind the back. If it feels good, you can bring the hands up off of the lower back and get a nice shoulder stretch. Then the arms come forward. When you're ready, bringing the hands back to the lower back and then releasing the hands to the earth and coming into downward dog. Again, we'll warm up the legs here by alternating bending the left and right knees. It's also sometimes called walking the dog. And then inhale the right leg up and exhale, bring the foot forward between the hands. Keep that left hand planted on the earth and inhale the right arm up. Feel free to roll the wrist out a little bit here if you like. This would be a nice, easy twist. And then exhale, release the right hand down. Bring the hands to the knees, and then inhale both arms up into a high lunge. Sometimes it can be a little more challenging with the wind blowing. To keep your balance, ground down into the feet. Exhale, fold forward. And gently straighten the legs for pyramid pose. You can bring that back leg in a little bit if you need to. I'm just going to fold over that right front leg. Come back into a lunge and bring that right leg back into downward dog. Inhale the left leg up and exhale forward. Bring the left hand up this time, keeping the right hand planted on the earth and twisting towards the left knee. Rolling out the wrist if you like. And then bring the hands to the knees, inhaling the arms up for a high lunge on the opposite side, left leg forward. Tucking the tailbone slightly under, engaging the core here. Slight back bend on the inhale and exhale, fold forward. Again, straightening both legs, bringing that back leg up just a tad to come into pyramid pose. And come back into your lunge. Inhale, left leg back, exhale, return it to the earth. And you can slowly walk the feet forward. And come back into a fold. And slowly roll back up to standing. Feel free to dust off your hands. And start to pour the weight into the right foot. And bring the left foot up, grabbing the left foot, the inside of the left foot with the left hand. And bring that right arm up as a counterbalance. And feel free to stay here or gently lean forward, kicking the left foot into the left hand to come into dancer pose. Now it helps to find a drishti here or something to gaze at to help keep your balance. And this could be a tree or a rock or anything that's not moving. And slowly come back to center and return that left foot to the earth. Make it a slow, controlled movement. Do the other side, pour the weight into the left foot and bring the right foot into the right hand. Bring the left arm up as a counterbalance. Get nice and stable here. Feel free to stay here or gently lean forward, kicking the right foot into the right hand to come into full dancer pose. And slowly return the right foot to the earth. And then spread your feet a little more than hips width apart. Then inhale the left arm up and keep the right arm by your right side and slide it down just a little bit down your right leg. This is going to be a nice side stretch in the left side of the body. And bring both arms up and keep the right arm up, slide a little bit down the left leg. Keeping that core engaged, feeling a stretch in the right side body. Bring both arms back up to center. Step the feet together And grab the right wrist with the left hand and stretch over towards the left. And then opposite side, grab that left wrist with the right hand and lean over to the right side, feeling another side stretch. Bring hands to Anjali Mudra or prayer position. And then widen the feet just a little bit and bend the knees so you come into a squat. Feet are facing out about 45 degrees. And see if you can lower the hips down towards the earth. It's okay if the heels are not on the earth. Try to bring the elbows in front of the knees. Come back up to a standing position. Come back into Tadasana. Relaxing the arms by the side. Feet grounded into the earth. Jaw, shoulders, and neck relaxed. How do you feel now compared to before this practice? I'd like to thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have an awesome hike. Namaste and have a great day.